Hi students, today we are going to discuss a very important named reaction, that is Stephen reaction or Stephen reduction reaction. It is a reduction reaction, and what here we are preparing, look here, nitriles are reduced. Nitriles are reduced to imines. Nitriles are reduced to imines with tin chloride, that is stannous chloride, and HCl, followed by hydrolysis. Gives aldehyde. Means first we have to do reduction with the stannous chloride and HCl, then followed by hydrolysis gives aldehyde. When we reduce, first we are getting intermediate imine. Directly aldehydes we are not getting here. Now, stannous chloride with HCl, reduction always partial reduction. It is not complete reduction. Partial reduction takes place. Partial reduction only takes place. Now I am taking an example here for reduction. See here, nitriles RCN. This is nitrile or cyanides subjected to reduce in the presence of tin chloride and HCl. So these are reduced to imine. So what you are getting? Imine you are getting CH double bond NH. CH double bond NH. So this is nitrile reduced to imine, or imine also you can say, no problem. And it is followed by hydrolysis. So what you are getting? Aldehydes you are getting. Aldehydes. This is aldehyde. So nitriles are reduced to imine. Imines subjected to hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Stannous chloride HCl will not give directly aldehyde. Stannous chloride HCl reduce nitriles to imine only. Imine further hydrolysis you are getting aldehyde. And here the word we listening here, imine. What is meant by imine? Look here, I will explain what is meant by imine. See triple bond N we are calling nitrile or cyanide, and C double bond N is there, that is CHNH. This bond. Triple bond N is there, nitrile or cyanide. C double bond N is there, this is we are calling imine or imine. Clear? C triple bond N is there, nitrile. C double bond N is there, like imine. Like we have here N triple bond N, nitrogen. N double bond N we are calling azo bond. Similarly, triple bond N is there, nitrile. C double bond N is there, imine. This you have to get. So like this we are preparing aldehydes from nitriles. I will take here normal CH3 C triple bond N, giving rise to, in the presence of stannous chloride plus HCl, and this is we are calling acetonitrile. Name of the product is, reactant is acetonitrile. Acetonitrile subjected to reduce, and it will give a imine, that is CH3 bond CH double bond NH. Simply, this is reducing agent. One hydrogen for carbon and one hydrogen for nitrogen you have to add. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. That's why reducing agent will supply hydrogen or it will remove oxygen. So here one hydrogen and here a hydrogen we have to add. Then you are getting imine. This is intermediate unstable product, that is we are calling imine. This imine subjected to hydrolysis. Then what I am getting? CH3 CHO. This is we are calling ethanol. AL, aldehyde. So acetonitrile converted to imine. Imine hydrolysis give all, that is aldehyde, ethanol. Now how here we added one hydrogen, here one hydrogen added, we got imine. How imine get hydrolyzed? That is get hydrolysis means, I will explain here how it will be takes place. Look here, CH double bond NH we have here, imine. We have to add water. Hydrolysis nothing but water. How we have to add water? Look here, 2 moles of water we have to add. Here I am taking HOH. Here I am taking HOH. This is the bond. These bonds are going to be break. Clear? Then what you are getting? NH3. Byproduct what you are getting? NH3. Here you see CHOH means CH bond bonded with OH and OH. A carbon with 2 OH groups are highly unstable. That's why here water molecule going to be eliminated. Then what we have? CHO. Finally we got CHO group. See, C double bond N H, that is CHNH, whatever it may be. 2 water molecule involved in the reaction, and here I took HOH, and here NH3 is removed, and here we have CH bonded with 2 OH groups like this. When a carbon bonded with 2 OH groups are highly unstable, that's why immediately water molecule going to be eliminated. Like this, and remaining CHO group we are getting. This is how to add water molecule to the imine. This is we got here. So this is the way to prepare aldehydes from nitriles. This is we are calling Stephen reduction reaction. We have alternate way also to prepare aldehydes. Alternate way also we have to prepare aldehydes. That is from here what we used? Here we used stannous chloride and HCl. With other reducing agents also we can prepare aldehydes from nitriles, like the most important reducing agent, that is Dibol H. Remember, in organic chemistry Dibol H is very important reducing agent. What is meant by Dibol H? Dibol H nothing but diisobutyl. D means di, I means isobutyl, IB. Al means aluminium, H means hydride, hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It is a strong and bulky, reducing agent. Remember, strong and bulky reducing agent. And here you see stannous chloride HCl is a reducing agent where partial reduction will be takes place. And here it is a strong and bulky reducing agent. How can we say it is a strong and bulky reducing agent? Means its structure we have to discuss. Look here, what we have here, diisobutyl group. Isobutyl group. I am drawing here isobutyl group. Isobutyl group. CH2, CH, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is we are calling isobutyl group. This is bonded with aluminum and this aluminum bonded with hydrogen. And this isobutyl groups, how many we have here? 2. So this is the structure of Debal H. Diisobutyl group, this is isobutyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same groups are there. Isobutyl group, aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. See, bulky groups are there, bigger groups, that's why. And moreover, it is a strong reducing agent also. What it will do? Number 1, it will reduce nitriles to imines. Nitriles to imines. Clear? How stannous chloride HCl converted nitriles to imine followed by hydrolysis, same it will do. And next one, it will reduce esters COOR to aldehydes. Esters to aldehydes. And it will reduce acids COOH, acids to aldehydes. First we have to learn that what reducing agent will do, which compound it will reduce it by this. And the next one we have, that is acid chloride or COCl, acetyl chloride. It also reduced to aldehyde. So Debal H can reduce nitrile to imine, and further it is followed by hydrolysis, gives aldehyde, ester to aldehyde, acid to aldehyde, and carbonyl chlorides, that is acid chlorides, to reduce to aldehyde. Even it will reduce ketone aldehyde to alcohol also. Ketones and aldehydes are reduced to alcohols. So here our lesson is aldehyde lesson. So this is not we are considering. This is alcohol lesson. We learned already. So this is the duties of Debal H. These are going to be converted into simply to aldehyde. Now I am taking one example for how nitril. One thing you remember, Debal H can reduce mostly nitriles and esters to aldehydes. This is the major reactions. This is also major but mainly. One I am taking from nitrile. I am taking RCN in the presence of Debal H. So it is converted to RCH double bond NH, imine. Here I told na, nitriles to imine. So nitrile, this is nitrile and this is imine. This imine further hydrolysis gives aldehyde. How we did it? In the presence of stannous chloride HCl, same it will perform. Same as it is with the Debal H. and you go for any example you can take. Here I told already same. So reagent we changed. And here you can take one example like this, which is given in your textbook. CH3CH, double bond CH, CH2, CH2, CN. This is the given in your textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex. Clear? Hex. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in. 4 in. And first carbon we have cyanide. Nitrile. 1 nitrile. Clear? This is the, and it is followed by Dibal H. Dibal H. Dibal H.